board?
Buddy! Alright guys, we're very excited to be here in what I believe is Encinitas, California at the famous Poods skateboard park. Why do they call it Poods? We don't even know. But we decided, what the heck? We have an extra board which is actually Uzi's and we're gonna give it away. Even though he's like, I think my board's gonna break today and I need it. Oh well, we're sorry Uzi. So we're gonna see who has the worst board at the skate park and everybody's gotta do a trick. You guys got some tricks ready?
I can ollie.
Ollie, go. But I want a round of applause if he lands it. You got this, you got this. Right there, if you land it right here, it's first try. Oh, first try!
That wasn't good enough.
Oh! Here's all, it wasn't good enough. Yes! Yeah, it was amazing! We gotta show your board too. Here, look. Look at that! Look at that! Come on! Come on! Alright, who's next?
I have something cool to show you. So cool.
Different than an ollie though. Different than an ollie.
It is something to
Kickflip, let's go. Let's go over here though. Wow, you have a really small board.
Whoa!
Oh! Actual? First try? Wait, I'm supposed to look at your board.
Oh, I just got it today.
So it's brand new.
Yeah.
This is today? Wow.
It looks like you skated more than I've skated in the last 6 years, and you just got it today.
Yeah.
Well played. What do you got it? You got a trick?
I can airdrop off that.
Let's see your board first.
It's not that bad. I got it like that.
It's not that bad. Okay. I like your grip tape. All right, let's go. Let's see what you got. Oh!
Everyone gonna go?
Yeah.
Let's go!
Whoa!
For real? What? Look at that board.
Aaron, you gotta check that one out, man.
I got a new board. It's my birthday.
Oh, happy birthday.
Thanks.
Whoa!
Yeah, Friday was my birthday, but this is my celebration.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Let me see what you got. All right, go ahead, and then I gotta check this board.
Nice.
Let me see your board. Oh my gosh, look at this thing.
All right, let's see it. Let's see
Look
it.
at that. Look at his tail.
It's like, hey, not bad, not bad, not bad. Whoa!
What happened? How did that even
Jeez.
happen?
I just kept razor turning. I kept razor.
What's your name?
Mason?
Mason. So it's Mason's birthday today. He said, I already got a new board, so I don't need the new board. I already got one. It's my birthday. So, yeah, that's what it says. Happy birthday. You ready, guys? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you.
Mason!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Now do a trick, any trick.
Oh!
Can I show you my thing?
Yeah. Go ahead.
I'm gonna. I can't believe he actually. That was awesome.
Is that the trick? Let's give it up for him.
Oh, he actually did trick. I knew it. I know who he did. My foot actually.
What do you got? Just because it's your birthday.
That was awesome.
I gave you 2 tricks because it's your birthday. Wait, where'd he go?
I have no idea.
I just did it.
Oh, you did?
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
What is the trick?
Reaver on the.
We missed it. Do it again.
Can you do it right here?
You can do it on the small one if you want. Go ahead. Trying to kill the poor kid? Come on, Gabe. What is this?
Look at him. He just dropped in like a champ.
I'm not doing that.
Eric Tyler is my favorite skateboarder.
Is he your favorite skateboarder?
Yeah,
How long has he been your favorite?
about a year and a half.
Oh, hold up. Oh! You are my favorite skateboarder.
Thank you so much.
Birthday today. This is my brother. It's his birthday.
This is your birthday today
Yeah.
too?
15th.
15th.
Let's go.
Happy birthday, man.
Thank you.
Aaron, we got another birthday.
No. It's your birthday?
Yeah, I
Oh my
know.
gosh. Wait, your board is looking pretty rough too.
Wow.
Hey.
Look at that thing.
Look at that.
Oh, the welcome board too. Nice.
Look at
I
that.
know.
He only has one Braille left. How did that even happen? All right, you got a trick for us?
Yes, sir.
What you got?
I will ollie the 6 right now.
No way.
No.
Wait,
Wow.
wait, what's your name?
Vance Bush.
Guys, for Vance, reminds me of Lance. Happy birthday to you. I can't hear you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Dear Vance.
Happy birthday to you.
Yes! Happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
Here he comes.
Oh, he's regular.
Oh!
Break his board.
Bodied! It's his birthday. He can't get bodied on his birthday.
He's got to land it
Let's
now.
give him a run back. Watch out, guys. Oh! Got him! Oh! Have you done that before?
Wow.
Early grab? Come on.
Oh,
Oh, wait.
He's getting the rail.
A wild mogul.
He looked at you. That was rude.
Yeah. What a guy. Body!
Why do kids here skate so fast?
You got to. Oh, no, wait. Oh, my God. What in the world is happening?
Sorry, man.
Save!
Oh, body. Oh!
Contest make?
That's
You
the
got
best
it, you
term
got
I've
it.
learned.
You got it. You got it, dude.
Thank you.
Let's
You got to
go.
do it.
Close enough.
You got to do
Got
it.
it.
Rebate.
Right here. Run it back. I mean, I feel like we should give him the board. He's
Oh,
thoroughly
yeah,
earning
he should
it.
get the board, yeah.
But then what do we do after that?
Oh, no.
Just show some
Give it to him.
tricks. He does not do laser
Dude, he
flips.
did it
does
on the
not do
Fremont
laser
7.
No, he did not.
Whoa!
Gosh. Full body.
Give him
They
some
make the
skate
ground
sport,
so
man.
smooth it's
Give him some
impossible to
skate
land.
sport.
You gotta lean forward more
I
when you
know,
land.
I
You
know,
got
bro.
this.
I know.
Andy!
Here he goes, guys. Here he goes. For the win. Oh my gosh. It's like the 3 bears.
I know.
Lean too far back, lean too far forward. Now, right in the middle. Wow.
That was crazy.
How did he land that?
I don't know. Oh my God!
Get that out of here. What just happened?
Oh!
I mean, I feel like he earned this. Here you go, bud.
Really?
You earned it. Come on, you killed it. Well played. We got grip tape. We got
thank
grip
you
tape
so
too.
much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Oh my gosh.
We got grip tape.
Thank you so much, Aaron.
You're welcome.
Happy
Thank
birthday.
you. Thank you so much.
Merry Christmas. And Hanukkah too.
I got a skateboard.
I told you!
How are you
Thank you
feeling
so
right now? Post-game interview.
Very excited.
Bodied.
Hello, Gabe.
Hello, Dan. What you gonna do?
I don't
Nollie
know.
big spin.
It's kind of long.
Hey, what you think this is, Chief?
You need shades.
I'll wear them. I'll wear
You
them.
wanna wear 'em?
I'll wear them. Can I wear them?
Thanks, bro.
Whoa, you are wearing the smudgiest glasses I've ever seen.
He sucks.
Just bodied left, right, and center. A wild Uzi appears.
Yes. Oh my God! So sick.
That was a good line, thank you.
Yeah. It may not have been filmed very well because I didn't have a board, but I did my best.
I like it, I like it.
Told you. I told you he's good. That's why we wanted that. Right there. He can only skate switch because his ankle's hurt. Sorry.
Oh. Hi, bro. Nice try.
That was amazing.
Thanks, dude.
You want to play skate?
Let's go skate, dude. Oh, no, I shouldn't have. No.
Oh, I can barely ollie. Wait, his ankle's hurt. I can win.
Here.
Looks like he doesn't do it.
Go, Joe.
Should I just go into it?
Go into it. I just really need to get a battery from the car.
Look at it.
I don't care about my ankle.
Hey, he's not hurt. It's over.
You had him.
Well, that was
You had him on the rope.
I had him on the rope.
Good game.
That was a good game. Well played. That was it. You played valiantly well, but never lost in a game of skating. I don't plan on starting now. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn how to ride a skateboard. It's fun.